Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial to help you figure out what to do with your cloth for G3 once you've purchased it. So there we have it, it's on the desktop. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new folder and call it Final Cloth for G3, somewhere to extract the files. Next we're going to double click on our download and we're going to send it to the destination folder we've just made on our desktop. Okay. At this point you'll need to enter your password that was sent to you by Apparitions. My password was... So there we go, extracting into the folder we've just created. Let's take a look what we got inside. Okay, we can see a Word document and several more folders, some named Upper Samples, Upper Base, Lower Samples, Lower Base, Shoes and Extra Samples. I think I'll have a quick look at the Word document to see if there's any information I need to know about this pack. Okay, had time to have a quick read through that. Let's get rid of it and carry on with the installation of the Cloth for G3 folders. I'll just move this to one side and then go to my start bar, to my computer, and select the hard drive where I find the program files where iClone 3 is installed. Just search down, there we go, Reallusion, iClone 3. Inside there I'll look for the template folder, and once inside choose iClone template. Inside the iClone template folder there are several more folders, but don't let these fool you. We're just going to be concerned with the upper, the lower and the shoes. So first I'm going to find my lower folder. Once inside the lower template folder I'm pressing my right mouse button to create a new folder which I'm going to call Cloth for G3 Lower. Okay, we open that folder and from our original package folder we drag and drop in the lower folders. Then I'm going back into the iClone template folder to find my upper folder. Once inside there I'm going to create a new folder and call this Cloth for G3 Upper. Just type away there. Okay, once that folder's open I'm going to drag over straight into it the upper folders from our Cloth for G3 that we made on the desktop. That should just leave us the extra samples and the shoes. So let's have a look and let us find our shoes folder in the iClone templates. Now inside the iClone template shoes folder I'm creating a new folder for the Cloth for G3 shoes. Once that's made we open it up and drag in the shoes from our original desktop folder of Cloth for G3. So all we have left really now are the extra samples, which you'll find one for the upper and one for the lower. So back into our iClone template, find the lower folder, drag the lower examples in, and finally find in the upper folder once more and drag and drop in the upper examples into the Cloth for G3 folder we made earlier. So there we go. We've successfully placed the Cloth for G3 templates in their proper folders within the iClone program directory. So all that's left now is for us to close the folders down that were open on the desktop and start iClone. Okay, when iClone opens, just close down the splash screen and select the Actor tab at the top of your window. From the left hand panel I'm going to drag in a female avatar, Violet, she'll do. Next, from the top bar we're going to select Upper Body, Then over to the left we're going to select our cloth for G3 upper template. Once that's opened, you'll notice that there are 3 subfolders. There is the upper folder, the upper base and the upper samples. Just click on each and have a look around. Okay, once you've had a nosy round, let's select the upper folder and from there we'll pick a garment. I'm going for the poncho. Next we'll go back up to the top of the window and select lower body, and once that's done, back over to the left hand side to find the cloth for G3 lower template folder, which again inside has 3 subfolders: lower, lower base and lower samples. Have another quick nosy and select from the lower samples a garment. Okay, once we have the upper and lower clothing selected, let's finish it off by picking some shoes. So from the top tab we pick shoes, and over to the left hand side panel we find our cloth for G3 shoes and we make our selection from there. So there we have Violet fully kitted out in cloth for G3 clothing.